Hi dear students, my name is Jyoti Prakash, PGT English, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Malkangiri. Now I would like to tell you about how to take creative and critical thinking test, practice test 6 in Diksha web portal. In the very beginning, you have to open the Google Chrome in your laptop or in your mobile phone. There in the search box, you have to type bit.ly capital CCT 6 underscores capital K capital V. Then you have to press enter button. Then you will be directed to Diksha web portal. There you will get a slide. Your content will be loaded there. Then you have to wait until it opens completely. You should not click on unnecessarily. Then here you have creative and critical thinking practice. Then right side arrow button is there. There on that icon you have to click on it. Then you will get some information about the CCT practice, why this CCT practice is being conducted. After reading it, next terms and conditions will be there. With the acceptance of your parents only, you have to take this exam. And participants must be students of classes 7th to 10th class. Even those who are studying 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, those students are eligible to take this exam. Next one, next slide, you have to click on the right side arrow. Then you will get purpose of collecting participant information, and then who has access to information. This information you have been given here, you can read. After that you can go into the next slide. There you have to give your information. No need to give your personal data. Simply from which school you are attempting, that information only you have to give. Simply here your gender. I'm showing you demo. This video is being recorded for the sake of demo purpose. That is why I'm giving 10th class. You can give your class. And here our school Kendriya Vidyalaya Malkangiri's UDICE code has been already sent to your WhatsApp groups by your respective teachers. Here if you belong to other school, you can ask your teacher. Your teacher will provide you the UDICE code. Here our Malkangiri's Kendriya Vidyalaya Malkangiri's UDICE code is 213009000702. Then participant school name KV Malkangiri. KV Malkangiri. Then after that you have to select medium of instruction, English medium. English medium. Then you can go to the next slide by clicking on the arrow key. There you will get instruction to the candidates. Here how much time you have been given. It means 1.5 hour, 90 minutes you have been given. There are 7 units which total of 30 questions. This information here, after reading this information only, you can go to the next slide. So please click on the right side arrow mark. Here that arrow icon, after clicking on the arrow icon you will get how to take the quiz. Here do's and don'ts are there. So what you should do, what you should not do. Got it? Sometimes question, here the symbols are there. Down arrow symbol is there if you want to show the complete question. Got it? Here you can click. Then here timer will be there. Then right side arrow, for the sake of getting into the next question, and left side arrow icon, if you want to go to the previous slide you can go there. You can type on it. Then unnecessarily you should not click on this menu, but it already they have mentioned here. So please read this slide very carefully, observe it. then you can take. Otherwise, unnecessarily, if you click on menu icon, you will get into the first page. Then from the beginning you have to take test from the beginning. Again you have to fill in the each and every particular, then you have to go into the test. So it takes time. Unnecessarily you will waste your time unnecessarily if you click. So please go through these points. Then the quiz will begin when you click the next. If you want to start, if you are ready, then you can click on it like this. The first here timer also has appeared. So if you want to go to next, you can go by clicking on the right side icon. So by reading, you can click on the options, any option, whichever is correct according to your perception. If you want to deselect the answer, here you have the symbol, speaker symbol and round arrow. On that you can click to deselect. Again, if you want to select, you can select this one. Not only by clicking deselect, directly also you can change your options, whichever option you feel you are right, that option you can select. After selecting the correct answer, after choosing the correct option, you can go to the next page. This is the process to take the CCT test. Then you can go to all the questions by clicking on the right side icon. 7 units you have to attempt, all the units, all the questions. At last, by clicking on the right side arrow only, you can submit your test by clicking on the right side arrow. Last question, until last question you have to go to next page, next, then you can submit at the end. But I'm requesting you, dear students, don't forget to send a screenshot pic of the first page. First page means where you have filled your school UDICE code and your gender. That page, that slide, you should take the screenshot and you have to send to your teacher, to your class teacher. Thank you so much, dear students. Have a nice and productive day. Thank you.